Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I've picked up over the last few weeks, month, I don't know, something like that. But picked up quite a lot of shoes, as you can see, and I'll just be showing them to you, giving them a rating and what ones I think were the best pickups and which ones I regret. But before we get into this video, I'd like to give a big shout out to today's sponsor. Legitmark is the standard for sneaker authentication and is the safest and most reliable place to get your sneakers authenticated, and they have, I believe, all of these on the platform. So if you need to get any of these authenticated, check them out. There's a link in the description. So which one are we going to start with? Let's start with the left side. Picked this one up actually 2 days ago, I think. Got it in the sale, so I actually got a really good price on these. Didn't actually expect these to go into the sale, but they did. And that is the Yeezy 700 in blue tint colorway. I've never really had this model, and I don't think I've actually ever had it in hand before. It is a weird material, and I've heard these fit really, really tight. So these are actually a 6.5, so they're not for me, obviously. But I actually don't mind this colorway. I actually think it's okay. I think the material is just a little bit weird, so I probably will sell these at some point. But it's just quite cool to have these in the collection because I've never had this version of the model before. But that's the first pickup. Let me know what you think of that one. So the next one on the list is the left side. This one is obviously a Yeezy 450. Picked this one up off StockX, paid resale, because I need this one for a comparison video. So, as you can see, Yeezy 450, Gyoza, whatever you want to call them, in the black version, black colorway. These aren't too bad. I think I prefer these to the cloud white version, but it's just a weird silhouette for me. I've never really had a chance to wear it, never really think I will. So after the comparison, I'll probably be letting these go, won't be keeping these in my collection. It's quite cool that Kanye and Adidas decided to come out with a silhouette like this. I think it actually pushes some boundaries. People are a bit off-put by it, me in particular, but cool thing to have in the collection for now, but definitely won't be keeping these. Now we're gonna move over to the right side. This one was a recent pickup. I paid resale for this, but I actually got it from just a private seller online. This is the Nike Grey Fog Dunk, and I really like this colorway. This colorway is really, really nice. Has some really nice neutral details, just like a classic general release Dunk, but grey and white, you can't really go wrong. The only reason I won't keep these is because I've got these ones right here. So I'll open up these ones in a minute. They're very similar, and that's the only reason I won't be keeping these. But otherwise, really nice shoe. If you've got a pair, congratulations, because this is a clean dunk to have. So this is the next dunk, and I'll open it up straight away just to compare it with the Grey Fog ones. So this one here is the Venice dunk. Is there really much difference? They are really close indeed. Not much difference between the two of them. I do actually really like this colorway, Venice colorway. It's like a violet pink, kind of violet. Yeah, is that the right color? Yeah, I'm gonna say violet. But yeah, really nice colorway. They're just so similar. Like, there's no real difference between the two pairs. Which one do I prefer? Looking at them now, I prefer the Venice one. I think this is a nice colorway for summer. I think it will go up in price. These are a women's colorway, so luckily, I fit a UK 9, so luckily these ones fit me. But yeah, Dunks are very similar colorway. You can actually probably wear them together because they're that close, but two nice colorways, but we'll only be keeping one of them. Even if I try to fall, even if I... Oh no. So, next on the list is obviously this one. Everyone knows what this one is. Atmosphere Jordan 1 with that navy and pink atmosphere color. Really nice Jordan 1, and I'm tempted to buy quite a lot of these because I think the price on these is going to skyrocket eventually. This colorway is really nice. Pink patent leather. Yeah, big fan. These you can't go wrong with. Then we're going to switch it to the left side. Picked these up maybe a few days ago. Box is a little bit battered, but these were from the surprise restock on the Confirmed app. Picked up the Zion or Xeon Yeezy in a really small size. I think it's a UK 4. Not really sure why I picked it up. I kind of panicked in the moment. Not going for any money or anything like that, but I have actually no reason I picked these up. I just picked them up. Don't really like that middle stitching, as I've told pretty much everyone on this channel a million times. That middle stitching going all the way up is just horrendous on this colorway. So these will probably be gone in a few days. Next on the list is arguably my favorite pickup of them all. Just done a comparison video on these. This is obviously the retail pair, and it's the New Balance Protection Pack in the Rain Cloud colorway. The details on this shoe, the comfort levels of this shoe, top level. This shoe is unbelievable. One of my favorite pickups ever. Didn't like them when I first saw them, but they've grown on me over time, and they look amazing on feet. So big fan of these. Probably one of my favorite pickups of the whole lot. Yeah, can't go wrong with a pair of New Balance Protection Pack. Black and the grey colorway are the best. The white one's a little bit meh. Right, second last shoe is this one here. You can probably tell by the branding what this one is. It's gonna take about 40 minutes to unbox, but yeah, here we go. Ma Maniere Jordan 3. Probably the shoe of last year. This one's really nice. Quality on these is unbelievable. Just did a comparison recently, it's up on my channel. And the difference between the retail and fake pair is dramatic just because of the quality control from these. Quality of the leather, quality of the suede, all the materials on this one are amazing. Just unfortunately isn't my size, it's half a size too small and a little bit tight. So these will be sold at some point, but I think I'll probably be keeping these for a little while just to see if the price does go up. And the final one that I purchased, and look at the size of this box. It is massive because this Nike Off-White is a size UK 12. So we'll open it up. Can anyone guess what colorway it is or what shoe it is before I open it up? Don't know why I do that because everyone comments after the video anyway. So this is the Nike Off-White Desert Ore Air Max. Look at the size of that shoe. It's absolutely massive, UK 12. Got a good price on these. These aren't personally for me, purchased them for somebody else, but not really to my taste. But it is an absolute crazy shoe. Dead stock, obviously, really nice. No complaints at all. They've changed the laces just to try them on, I think. But pretty much dead stock. Condition is unbelievable. So these have already been sold. They're not mine personally anymore. Just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. And obviously, these are probably the biggest pair of the lot, but not my favorite pair of the lot. My favorite pair of the lot is the New Balance Protection Pack. Let me know out of all the pickups I had in the last month, which one are your favorites and which one would you be letting go and which one would you be keeping? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.